Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life. Well, in today's video we are exploring the world of beautiful and amazing crochet babies frocks designs ideas. Hope so you like this video and different collections. So please watch this video till end without skip and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload next video about your comment where love and yarn comes together. Today we are excited to share with you some adorable and easy to make crochet baby frocks designs ideas that are perfect for little ones. From sweet and simple to inspired, intricate and elegant, beautiful crochet frocks designs and pattern ideas. We are go a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner or experienced crocheter, these frocks are perfect for baby showers, gift, or just because. Hope so you like this all the pattern and different collection. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas till end. We will show you how to create beautiful textures using yarn and hook, plus got tips on how to customize the color, size and embellishment to fit your little one's style and size. Add different embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work and different more accessories embellishments, and add more embellishments and look like a very beautiful and unique style easily. Hope so you like this all the pattern and ideas. If you want more information, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas till end. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to crochet a beautiful crochet baby frocks designs ideas using yarn and different techniques. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment to make this project special and beautiful. You can also add a personal touch with a special message or a baby's name. Thanks for joining us today. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work and hand knitting, hand embroidery, if you want more information, so please visit my YouTube channel and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, full DIY tutorial, full detail videos. Please share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work, knitting work and many different ideas. Happy crocheting. We will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Okay viewers, see you in the next video. Okay viewers, bye bye.